Microwaving water can be dangerous. Learn how to avoid a potential explosion. Nucleation is the first step in the formation of a new thermodynamic phase or structure within a substance. Avoid using smooth containers when microwaving water to prevent rapid boiling and potential explosions. Adding a non-metallic object to the water can prevent nucleation and reduce the risk of explosions. Never heat water for too long in the microwave. Set a timer and check the water frequently. Remember these tips to avoid dangerous situations when microwaving water.